Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial here on Nailpossible. In this video, we're gonna make this gradient triangle design with some optional metal slices. You don't have to use them, but I like to use them a lot. We're going to start applying a base coat. Now we're gonna apply a lilac nail polish on the index and pinky nails. Because we're going to apply a gold nail polish on the other two nails. We clean up the cuticles. And we're going to stamp the triangle design using Tempest, which is the lilac we used before, along with a darker purple and a light blue polish. Let's add the purple first, then the lilac, and finally the blue, making sure the colors overlap a little bit. We scrape a few times to blend the colors. And we stamp this on the gold nails. As I said at the beginning, this is optional, but I'm going to add some metal slices. First, I'm going to put them on a stamper face down. And then I'm going to fill them with one of the colors. Here I'm using the blue. We bend them a little bit so the corners don't stick out. And we apply them to the nails. Finally, we add a top coat. And we have finished our design. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!